In our previous video, we talked about the one and the only way to make money, which is selling. And in this video, we'll talk about the only 3 things that you can possibly sell in any business. And if you stick till the end, I will share with you what exactly I sell and how you can do exactly the same. But before we get started, make sure you visit our website extrahyperactive.com to learn more about us, what we do, and how you can be a part of our brand. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more videos like this, to learn how you can turn your passion into a profitable business, or at least learn how to make some extra money on the side to support your epic lifestyle. For those of you who are new to our YouTube channel, let me introduce myself. My name is Paul, Extra Hyperactive, and I'm the creator of Extra Hyperactive brand, an active lifestyle brand that helps people who are passionate about fitness and travel start their own business, or at least learn how to make some extra money on the side to support their healthy and adventurous lifestyle. But unlike other online gurus who make money online by teaching others how to make money online, I actually run several of my own businesses, online as well as offline. And just like every other entrepreneur or business owner, I make money by selling. And the only 3 things that I sell are products, services, and information or info products, digital products. That's it. There's absolutely nothing else you can possibly sell in any business. It's that simple. So whether you want to start your own online business or brick and mortar business, if you want to make money online, if you want to make money with social media, if you want to make money blogging, if you want to become a social media influencer, just keep in mind, selling is the only way to make money, and the only things that you can possibly sell are products, services, and information. But what if you don't have any of your own products, services, or information to sell? Can you still make money? Absolutely. And that's where affiliate marketing comes in place. As an affiliate, you promote and sell other people's products, services, and information, and you make commission, and that's how you make money. Again, it's that simple. But of course, you can always combine selling your own product, service, information and being an affiliate for somebody else. This is truly an amazing way to make big and consistent income. So next time somebody offers you a great business opportunity, all you have to do is just ask them a simple question. What do you sell? And if the answer is nothing, then it's 110% scam, or at least that person has no idea what he is doing. In conclusion, as I said in the beginning of this video, I will share with you how I make money and what I sell. As the owner of Extra Hyperactive brand, I make money by selling our own products, physical and digital, and I sell my services as a marketer to other brands and businesses in fitness and travel industries. And guess what? Our ambassadors, also known as affiliates, do exactly the same. They promote and sell our products, physical and digital, and they sell their marketing services to us as well as to other brands and businesses in fitness and travel industries. Again, that's how simple it is. So if you're looking for actionable, practical information about how to start your own fitness and travel business, I would love to help you and share everything I know. To learn more about us, what we do, make sure you visit our website extrahyperactive.com, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more videos like this, to learn how you can turn your passion into a profitable business, or at least how to make some extra money on the side. Thanks for watching this video, and you have a great day.